Hello, daydreamers! I am Sony, and I'm here with my husband today. We're at Animal Kingdom, and we are going to see some animals. Let's have an awesome day. We are walking through the Discovery Island trails. Here you can get a closer look at the Tree of Life. Let's see how many animals, bugs, fish, and creatures you can see. There are so many. Sea turtle. Wow, I didn't even know this was here. We're walking behind this beautiful waterfall. Oh. The wait times today are very long. We want to go on the safari, but it's a 90-minute wait. So instead, we are going to see some animals without having to wait in line. Come join us to see some places at Animal Kingdom where you can see animals without having to wait. This is a perfect option for those who can't go on rides, or if you're looking for something to see while you're waiting for your party to come back from a ride. Two monkeys hugging each other. Got my coffee. Anandapur Royal Forest. Alright, can you spot the Komodo dragon? He is like under the leaves, looking like a log. Huh. That's so cool. He's just chilling. Look at this guy. Black tree monitor. Those are some big fruit bats. Huge.
Oh, there it is. Like wrapping itself in a blanket.
Maybe that's how they stay cool.
Open it up.
Oh, yeah, because everyone's over here. I'm so happy we got to see the baby tiger Bakso. Of course, he's the star of the attraction here, and we were all piled up on top of each other trying to get a glimpse. I wanted to stay longer, but everybody deserves a turn to witness that little cutie. They're coming to the water to cool down. Bar-headed geese. Not sure if that's Mama or Dad, but did you know that Mama's name is Sony? What a coincidence! We're having a Sony day. This one is nesting right here. What is that one called? Nicobar pigeon.
I see the thing hanging on.
That one is a black collared starling. Wow, we get to see everything. Oh, see that one?
I might see this.
Pied imperial pigeon.
It looks like it.
It looks pretty.
Someone get pooped on.
Yeah, we don't. It's the last thing we want. Oh, look at these over here. I think that's, yeah, a great Argus. Yeah, that's a great Argus. And then this guy right here is.
Who's this guy? This is
Oh, okay.
a dog.
Look at he has a stick in his mouth. See this guy? Oh, he's coming over.
It's coming.
He's like, "Are you gonna feed me?"
Huh?
Oh my god.
What's
Oh, look at the bigger one. That one must be the same, but you know, one's male, one's female. Malayan Great Argus. Oh, and then you see the little one with the feather on his head right here. It's like red.
Please.
Oh, it's a crested wood partridge.
Oh, look at these things. Friendly meat or something.
They're all together. Oh, they're all coming.
They're all there.
That's so cool. And this one's in his nest. Look how pretty the colors are on this one. So pretty. Oh, look at this guy. Has a yellow gill. Oh, it's the masked lapwing. Huh. Yeah, it's a little pigeon. See the masked lapwing? Yeah, there's a lot of the Nicobar pigeons. Pink-eared duck. There it is. That one doesn't look like pink ears. Oh,
That's a small goose.
that's an Indian pygmy goose. It's a little tiny one. Oh, they fly so low. He's picking up trash. It's recycling.
Dollar bill out in the hand, straight out to the side. I want to see if Texas will grab that, and if we can try something a little bit different. Good job, Texas. Because here's the best part. It's when he puts it right in my pocket. That was awesome.
That was awesome. When he flies, I want you to listen. They have this incredible ability of sounding like a bunch of people going, ah! Did you hear anything? No, nearly silent flight. It's super cool. So you pair that with the fact that that bird's hiding in plain sight.
What about your stinky pirate? What about your actual pirate? What about your pirate? What about your chicken? And your pirate? There we go.
Let's go to Gorilla Falls.
Oh, can you see the animals?
Close at 6:30 p.m. today. So the park itself is closing at 8 o'clock tonight. The Feathered Friends in Flight was such a great show. It's held outside, but it's covered and you can eat and drink in there. It's about half an hour long and they have some really good laughs, and it's pretty interactive where they allowed a lot of different audience participation. It was a fun show to learn more about many different birds, which were all so magnificent. Angolon, black and white, colobus monkey. There's a bunch of them. Naked mole rats. No, I like the turtles. Look at these tortoises. These were called pancake tortoise. Oh, it's right here. Just looking for it. Nice. African bullfrog. Right here. It's right here. See it? See my reflection. It's right there. Really camouflaged. Angolin python.
Oh. I'm yawning.
So pretty. There's so many of the yellow birds. Look at all these beautiful fishes. Blue and yellow. So relaxing. Look at this guy. Oh, there is a Mickey-shaped rock, and then the ducks are laying on the rocks. Hippo skull. This feels like a nice zoo day for us. If you like seeing animals, then you will love this park. There's so many different birds here and so many beautiful plants, trees, and just the lushness of everything in this park makes you feel closer to nature. I'm still so happy we got to see baby Bakso, the tiger. Now look at how massive this hippo is. He's just chomping away. And there are some birds in his exhibit too. They're just chilling in his area like they're best friends. It's a lion skull. I don't know. Looked like he got into a paint fight. We didn't get to see the gorillas. They're out wandering somewhere.
Barely saw one.
Saw the baby one walking by briefly. But we did get to see the baby tiger, so I'm happy about that. Oh, spoke too soon. They're over here. Oh, this is awesome. The silverback. He's eating something.
Man, this.
There's 4 of them I see. Oh, so exciting. Here, I thought we weren't going to see them, but... Oh, yes. There he is.
Who knows? Could be.
I could watch the gorillas all day. You can already tell they have their own personalities. It almost feels like they're also watching us as much as we are watching them. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, please like and subscribe. I just moved to Florida and I'll be at the parks often and all the surrounding areas. So I'll take you along my journeys as I go explore new places, try new food, and discovering what Florida has to offer. I think this is Gino. He's 44 years old and he's the oldest silverback here at the Animal Kingdom. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely come through the Gorilla Falls to come check him out. Just love these pretty pink flowers because they just pop out so beautifully against all the greens. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a lovely day. Better yet, have a Sony day.